Oh, if she's a dachshund, she'll like squeaky toys. Oh, yes. Yep. Yes, you are. You're a dachshund. Look at that.
That's a cute one for you. That's a cute picture too.
No balls, just toys. Oh, you got it to squeak. Oh, look at you. Look at you playing with that toy.
Sit. 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 Good sit.
Yeah, good
Very
girl.
gentle.
Good. I think she's sitting. Oh no, there she goes. Yeah, you can't barely tell.
Down.
Her belly's on the ground, but I don't think she was down. No, no, but her belly hair was touching her head. Oh, that's a good sit. Good sit.
Good girl. Paw. Shake. Beg. Up. Stay.
Oops.
Darlene have her
Round,
papers in there?
girl.
No.
Just like me. I'm short too.
We think she's a dachshund mix.
Yeah.
They said a
She's got
schnauzer.
like, I was gonna say schnauzer, but she also has kind of like
Poodle.
My Shih Tzu has, or my Shih Tzu mix, I should say, has. Hey, girl, girlfriend, you are so cute. Look at that picture. Look at that camera. Look at that camera right there.